Hello, this video is going to talk to you about making and customizing folders in your Google Drive. So if you are here as part of my tech class, this is assignment number 7. So you will watch this video and learn how to make and customize folders in your Google Drive. So you're going to follow these directions and you are actually going to be turning in a screenshot to me to show me the folders that you have created in your Google Drive. So you can begin by opening up a new tab. And if you have your Google Drive symbol here because you have accessed Google Drive before, you can click it. Or again, go to the waffle to find the apps and navigate to Google Drive. So I've already kind of shown you an example here of how you can customize a folder in Google Drive, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you from the scratch, I guess, how to make it and then how to customize it. Excuse me. So there are 2 ways that you can make a new folder. You can start up here with this new button. You can create a new folder here, or you can right click on your mouse or mouse pad and make a new folder here. So you can name this folder whatever you want. So I'm just going to name this folder technology, even though you do already have a folder in the classroom folder for technology where everything that you make in Google Classroom will automatically be sent there. But maybe this is not something that's going to be turned into Google Classroom. It's just going to be something we're working on in class and you want to create a folder. So you can make a folder that says technology. And one of the things that's kind of hard for me to show on my computer is you can actually add emojis to your folder titles. But part of the process does not show up. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click where you see this blinking icon where you're typing the name of the folder. And at the very top, there is a button that says emoji. It doesn't show up for whatever reason on the screen when I'm recording, but it shows up on my screen that I'm actually, using. So I click emoji, and then tons of emojis are available. So, faces and different jobs, Santa Claus, doctors, nurses, Christmas trees, balloons, shoes, all kinds of delicious looking food, vehicles, cars, planes, flags, mountains, buildings, hearts, symbols, whatever. So I'm just going to choose something technology related. So I'm just going to come in here and pick the tablet with an arrow. Okay. And insert it. So you can see how I have inserted the emoji, but you didn't really see the process. So it's right click, and at the very top of the little box that pops up when you right click, it is a emoji symbol, or it says emoji, and then it just brings up this box that allows you to see all these emoji symbols, and you can just insert them in. So that just allows you to customize. So then you're just going to create, it's going to make a brand new folder. So you can go in and you can rename this folder. So say I decided I wanted to name this just tech. And I wanted to put the year because I'm in this first semester and it's 2020. And I can also change the color of the little folder icon within the box. So say I want purple. I can just change the color of the folder to any color that I want. That's available here. And that just means, maybe I'll just get used to, okay, purple folder. Because sometimes I might, like on my personal Google Drive for my work, I have tons of folders within folders and folders and folders. So if a color coding things, like my folder for this year is red, so it kind of stands out to me. Sorry, I hit my microphone. And it just makes it a little bit easier to find when you have a whole bunch of stuff littering your Google Drive. If you color code and you put little icons, then that just makes it a little bit easier for you. So that is how you make and customize a folder in Google Drive by either going to the new here or right-clicking and adding a new folder. Now, as far as turning this in for my tech class, what you're going to do is you're going to screenshot. Now, if you are on a Chromebook, you are going to use the Control and then the Windows switcher button, which is located roughly right above the number 6. Oops, I hit my microphone again. Sorry. on your keyboard, or it's also known as the F5 button. So you are going to just take a screenshot. For me, I have a kind of a snip tool here where I can just see the screenshot that I have taken. And then I'm going to go back to Google Classroom. For me, I actually have to save it. For you, it gets automatically saved to your device when you screenshot on a Chromebook. And I'm going to add a file, and I'm going to upload that screenshot that I just took. You can usually tell by the time, so look at the time and find the one that's closest to that. And then I'm going to turn in that screenshot of the folders that I made in Google Classroom. So then you should be able to see that here it is, and I can tell that you made and customized. So I don't care what folder you make, what it looks like, what it's for. You could just make one and then turn around and immediately delete it, which is what I'm going to do after you, upload the screenshot. So now that I've uploaded the screenshot, I can just right click and then I can remove the folder since I really didn't need it in the first place. Okay, so that's all there is for turning in that assignment for making and creating a Google Drive folder.